Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. This video I will show you how to use our A4 relay board to control the TV or control the Apple TV. This is my Apple TV. It has this IR remote, so we can learn in this IR remote the signal to the board and send by this board. You can see when I press the button, this is send IR signal. So we can let this board, this is the IR receive module. We can send this signal received by this part. And also the board has this transmit, IR transmit. You can send this transmit by press this button. This board have two buttons. This S1 is for reset. And this is the button for you to use the function. You can define this function. We will use the Arduino code, learning the IR signal and send IR signal by press the button. Okay, now let's look at this Arduino IDE. And at the first, we can install the IR remote library. It will be very easy to use the IR function. Just manage your library, and we search IR remote. Remote. Then you will see this library, IR remote. I have already installed. You just can install online. Then I click the close. Then you will find in this file example, and you will find this IR remote. I just use this demo function, receive and send. And just will click open this file. This file is learning the signal and send it by the button. This is the example source code. We just open this pin define, and you can find this is for many different modules. Because we have used ESP32, so you can see this part. This is IR receive pin and IR send pin, and this is the button pin. So we can see the diagram. This is for IR receive, and this is IR send. So the send is IO22, and the receive is IO23. So we just change this pin. Send is 22, and the receive is 23. And this is the button. Button is IO0. Why is IO0? We can see the diagram. You can see we have two buttons. This S1 I have said that is for reset the system, that is enable or disable. And this S2 we need to define the function for send IR signal. This connect with the IO0. Just this IO0 is for the button. So you need only to change this three line, this two line and this one line, just three line. Then you can upload to your board. Just click upload. Okay, download is complete. Then you can enable this serial monitor because the feedback is from this window. We can press the button for reset. Then you can see the program is began running. I can use this remote like this. I press the menu, just like this. Okay, the menu is running because the relay 4 is defined by this signal state. So when you press the key, the relay 4 will be turn on, off, on, off, on, off. Just not need to see this state. Now I can press this button. Just when I press this button, you can see the icon is down. I can press again. You can see the icon is down. And also, you can see this window. When I press the key, the protocol is Apple. So this is decode for IR signal. The protocol and the address and the command and the date. So how many bits. It all have decode for the IR signal. And I press the different key. So this will be display the different command. so it can be decoded for many remotes. You can see when I play the move, when I press the key, and this is decoded. When I press the key is decoded.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new addition, H.
And you can press the key, the right, just learning the right.
Yeah, we ain't the.
And also you can press this button. This will be quickly, because it's learning the forward function. You can see this country by send this signal to this one. So we can also press the key menu. Now we have learning the menu function. So you can press the button. So this is how to use this IR remote, learning the signal to the A4 and send by the A4 transmit. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next lesson.